Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Jay, and this is a quick video looking at my Ezoic dashboard. Yeah, I've currently started uploading to my website, and this is how it's going so far. I mean, so far I've made $43. The visits is going up and up. Well, I mean, it's going up and down here, but yeah, it seems to be going up. The earnings is slowly and progressively going up. Now, the core vital scores in the last 28 days. This is now. I need to work on the mobile score. Definitely. I mean, the green's good. Obviously, it's 95 out of 100. Not bad. Not sure what that means. But then look at the desktop. I used to have this mostly green, guys. It's again looking a bit poor. I need to sort this out. But yeah, the cashier hit rate is 80%. I want to try and up that, get it a bit higher. And then look at this, guys. For a while, I was struggling to make more than 50 cents. Yeah. Now look at this though. Nearly every single day. In fact, this week, every single day is over $1. Yeah, I was happy when I made $1 in a day, yeah, guys. But look at this. But look at this one here on Saturday and Sunday, $5. All right. Yeah, I mean, this you don't show it yet, but tomorrow, hoping it's more than $1. But I'm loving this, guys. It's great. And you know what I love about Ezoic is the fact that you can upload videos now. They've got like loads of tools, and if you want to check it out, look, they're not just an ad network. Yeah, they've got obviously the ads. They've got Flickify, where you can create videos and upload to your web page. Yeah, which is great. You've got Humix or Humix, whichever you want to say, right? And you can upload YouTube videos, right? And then you can put them on your site. But if you don't want to share them, I mean, if you don't want to put them on your site, you can share them so other people can use them on their website, because they might not have videos. So if you let them use yours, so when they're earning money, that they're earning ad revenue, you earn ad revenue. Obviously, because it's your video and you're sharing it, and then vice versa. So you can use other people's videos onto your website, and you can share your videos. Now, I've got quite a few different YouTube channels. What I've done is, from my website, I upload the videos from my YouTube channel. What I want on that website, yeah. But then I've also got another YouTube channel. What I don't want any of them videos on my website because it doesn't relate to it. So what I've done though, I've just uploaded all them videos to the Humix, yeah, and I let people like use them, yeah. Now if we just click on this, look, $26, guys. Yeah, let me just move this guy out of the way. But look, at first I just started uploading a couple of ones from my website, right? Then I started sharing them, and look at this. It's awesome. Look, 137,455 views in the last 30 days. So you can upload from YouTube, upload your own, or I love it, guys. Yeah. And then you've got like Niche IQ. It helps you find topics and like what you can use for your articles and that. Then obviously you've got your big data analytics and all that. There's loads, guys. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link for Ezoic down in the description. It is an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you anything. And yeah, guys, I'd sign up for it, guys, because if you look at here as well, right, you don't have to, they let you sign up even if you've not got any any audience, any people coming to your website. Because at one point I think it used to be like 10,000 a month, but now they let everyone join up. But if you look at here, you can switch on a thing called mediation, which then, so it lets Google AdSense and Ezoic basically battle for who wants to place the ad onto your website. So then basically, if Google AdSense can pay more, if they decide that they want to pay more, they can pay more. Because guys, here every single day now, Ezoic seems to be winning the battle, right? But when I first started, the mediation was earning me more than what the Ezoic ads were. But now it's getting interesting now. Look, I'm loving all these different dollars and that. Yeah. So anyway, that is it, guys. Check it out. Check the link out, guys. Sign up for it. There's no harm. And like I said, once you sign up for it, you can add your other websites as well. Now, okay, you might be thinking $43 is nothing. Yeah. But I'm not doing anything. I'm just uploading to my website as usual. Yeah. I'm placing their ads on it and then letting them do the battle, and then obviously just uploading things like that. So you can earn, yeah, off your YouTube. If you've got YouTube videos, upload to that, and then yeah, and you can create your own videos there. Like just using, you type in, you put your website URL in here, and then you can Flickify, and then you can make your own videos like using their technology. Yeah? It's awesome, guys. Yeah. So anyway, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And until next time, guys. Thanks very much. Goodbye.